Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best roofing felt is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components of a sound and durable roof, acting as a vital protective layer that shields your home from the elements and extends the lifespan of your roofing system. Choosing the right roofing felt can significantly impact your home's integrity, preventing water damage, mold growth, and structural issues, ultimately saving you money on costly repairs down the line and ensuring peace of mind for years to come. Number 5. FabricLA 72 Wide Acrylic Felt Fabric. Discover our superior quality felt fabric, a soft yet durable material perfect for all your creative endeavors. It's easy to work with, making it ideal for any project. This felt comes in a generous 72-inch width, providing ample material for larger projects. You'll receive each piece separately, ensuring convenience for your crafting needs. Unleash your creativity with this versatile felt. It's incredibly easy to cut, shape, and embellish, making it a go-to essential for DIY crafts, sewing, and school projects. Keeping your felt looking its best is simple. We recommend hand washing in cold water and hanging it to dry. For minor spots, gentle spot cleaning will maintain its texture. From wall decor and accessories to holiday crafts and school projects, the possibilities are limitless. Let this felt inspire your next handmade creation. This rich black felt is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your projects. Use it for everything from unique accessories to festive decorations. What we like. This felt fabric comes in a generous 72-inch width and is 1.6 mm thick, offering a soft yet durable material. It's incredibly easy to cut, shape, and work with, making it perfect for all your crafting needs. If you are looking for a versatile and user-friendly fabric for DIY crafts, school projects, or home decor, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It was easy to lay and cut. This roofing felt is very durable and has lasted through several storms without any issues. The felt provides excellent waterproofing and has kept my shed dry even in heavy rain. Number 4. Gaffer Power Black Butyl Repair Tape. Experience a quick and permanent fix for leaks. This tape grips firmly to both wet and dry surfaces, making repairs easy. This thick, aggressive tape creates a waterproof seal, indoors and out. It's perfect for pools, tanks, and containers, ensuring a tight seal that strengthens over time. Applying this tape is simple thanks to its flexibility. It easily conforms to various shapes, ideal for curved surfaces like gutters and pipes. This tape is your go-to solution for a wide range of repairs. It's recommended for RVs, trucks, sheds, tarpaulins, and even some piping. Enjoy prolonged longevity with its UV resistance. This ensures your repairs withstand the elements for extended periods. Trust in superior quality, proudly engineered and manufactured in the USA. It's made under strict guidelines using the best sourced materials. What we like. This heavy-duty repair tape provides a quick and permanent seal, even on wet surfaces. Its thick, aggressive adhesive creates a waterproof barrier ideal for patching leaks on roofs, RVs, and gutters. If you need a reliable, long-lasting solution for emergency repairs or reinforcing vulnerable areas on your home or vehicle, this tape is a must-have. What people say. The felt is easy to cut and lay, making the installation process straightforward. It provides excellent waterproofing, keeping the roof dry and protected from the elements. The material is durable and has withstood strong winds and heavy rain without any issues. Number 3. ADFORS FibaTape FDW 6598 U Roof Fabric. Introducing the ADFORS FibaTape FDW 6598 U Roof Fabric, your go-to solution for durable roof repairs. This black mesh fabric is designed for strength and ease of use. Its convenient size roll makes it perfect for any do-it-yourself project. Simply unroll and apply for a quick and effective fix. Effectively reinforce roof cracks, breaks, and loose seams with this versatile repair fabric. It provides a strong bond to keep your roof protected. For optimal results, use this fabric with roof cement. It adheres seamlessly to asphalt shingles and metal roofs, ensuring a lasting repair. Proudly manufactured in the United States, you can trust in the quality and reliability of this essential roofing material. Each roll comes shrink-wrapped, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition, ready for immediate use. What we like. This mesh fabric is designed to reinforce cracks, breaks, and loose seams on your roof. It's easy to apply with roof cement and suitable for various roofing materials like asphalt shingles or metal. If you're dealing with minor roof damage and want a straightforward, DIY-friendly solution to prevent further issues, this fabric is a practical option. What people say. The felt is easy to cut and lay, making the installation process much smoother. It provided excellent waterproofing, keeping my shed dry even during heavy rain. The material feels durable and has held up well against the elements so far. Number 2. Roberts Super Felt Underlayment. Introducing the Roberts Super Felt Underlayment, a premium solution for your flooring needs. This underlayment is designed to enhance your home's acoustics and comfort. Experience superior sound quality as it absorbs noise, creating a more peaceful environment. It prevents sound from bouncing back, ensuring a quieter space. Crafted from recycled fibers, this underlayment is an environmentally conscious choice for your home. We are committed to sustainability in our products. Utilizing an extremely high-temperature manufacturing process, the fibers are treated for exceptional durability and performance. This ensures a long-lasting underlayment. At 3 mm thick, it effectively corrects minor imperfections in your subfloor. This provides a smooth and even surface for your final flooring installation. Boasting an IIC rating of 67 and STC rating of 66, it offers exceptional sound insulation. Enjoy a quieter and more comfortable living space. What we like. This underlayment is made from recycled fibers and boasts a 3 mm thickness, designed to absorb noise rather than deflect it. It also helps correct minor subfloor imperfections, contributing to a richer sound experience. If you are looking to improve the acoustics in a room, reduce noise transmission, or create a smoother subfloor for your flooring, this felt underlayment is a great choice. What people say. The felt is easy to cut and lay, making the installation process straightforward. It provides excellent waterproofing, keeping the roof dry even in heavy rain. The material is durable and has withstood strong winds without tearing. Number 1. Firestone RubberGard EPDM 60mm Roofing Membrane. Introducing a premier roofing solution designed for durability on low-slope applications. It offers exceptional protection and a long-lasting performance you can rely on. Experience excellent value with a product that boasts a low life cycle cost. This means significant savings over time without compromising on quality. Its remarkable flexibility allows it to contour easily to unusual roof shapes. This ensures a perfect fit for even the most complex designs. Enjoy a straightforward installation process, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor. It's designed for ease of use and efficiency. This material provides design versatility thanks to its flexible nature. It's ideal for a wide range of roofing projects, offering both performance and adaptability. It's the most popular material for new and re-roofing projects on low-slope applications. Trust in a proven solution for your roofing needs. What we like. This EPDM rubber membrane offers outstanding durability and a low life cycle cost, making it an excellent value for roofing applications. It easily contours to unusual roof shapes, simplifying installation for both DIY homeowners and contractors. If you need a robust, long-lasting roofing solution for low-slope areas that can adapt to complex designs, this membrane is a top-tier option. What people say. The felt is easy to cut and lay, making the installation process straightforward. It provides excellent waterproofing, keeping the roof dry even in heavy rain. The material is durable and has withstood strong winds without tearing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.